Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying capability. Open Device Manager, view your wireless adapter model, and check specs for 5 GHz or dual band support. If it does not support 5 GHz, you must purchase a USB dual band adapter. That's the only practical way to switch to 4 GHz only laptop. Once you have the adapter, download the latest driver from the manufacturer and plug it in. Make sure you have admin rights to install drivers and your 5 GHz network name and password handy. Next, install the vendor driver and insert the USB adapter. Windows may auto-detect, but use the downloaded installer for best results. Once installed, disable the internal 4 GHz adapter or set the USB adapter as the primary connection. In the adapter's advanced settings, choose preferred band or wireless mode and select 5 GHz or 802.11 AC/AX to force the band. Then scan for networks. Pick your 5 GHz SSID and enter the password. This ensures you connect. Finally, verify you are on 5 GHz by viewing the active network properties and checking the link speed. It should be noticeably higher than typical 4 GHz rates. If you don't see a 5 GHz SSID, log into the router, enable the 5 GHz radio, ensure SSID is broadcast, and set channels to auto or a non-DFS channel. Make sure drivers and router firmware are up to date. If problems persist, try another USB port, reposition the adapter, or reboot both devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.